To concrete technology, we are going to start our new chapter, cement properties. In previous chapter, we have discussed various properties of Portland cement. In general, we have seen that cement exhibit different properties and characteristics depending upon their chemical composition by changing the fineness of grinding of the oxide composition. Cement can be made to exhibit different property in the past. Continuous effort were made to produce different kind of cement suitable for different situation by changing oxide composition and fineness of grinding. With the extensive use of cement for widely varying condition, the types of cement that could be made only by varying the relative proportion of the oxide composition were not found to be sufficient. Resources have been taken to add one or two more new materials known as additives to the clinker at the time of grinding, or to the use of entirely different basic raw material in the manufacturing of cement. The use of additive, changing chemical composition and use of different raw materials have resulted in the availability of many types of cement. Types of cement and the testing of cement. Types of cement. In this chapter, we are going to cover topic like types of cement, ASTM classification, ordinary Portland cement, repair hardening cement, extra rapid hardening cement, sulfate resistant cement, Portland slag cement, quick setting cement, super sulfate cement, low heat cement, pozzolana Portland cement, air entrance cement, colored cement, white cement, hydrophobic cement, masonry cement, expensive cement, IRST 40 special grade cement. IRST is a standard benchmark to the particular 40 grade. Oil well cement, ready set cement, high aluminum cement, refractory concrete, very high strength cement, fineness test. Now talking about the tests for cement: fineness test, standard consistency test, setting time test, strengthening test, soundness test, rate of hydration, chemical composition test, test certificates, etc. Now this is the image of industry cement division. Types of cement. To concrete technology, to cater to the need of the construction industry for specific purpose, in this chapter shall deal with the properties and use of various kind of cement. These cement are classified as Portland cement and non-Portland cement. The distinction is mainly based on the method of manufacturing. The Portland and non-Portland cement generally used as listed below. Indian standard specification number is also given. Again, this element. Types of cement. Ordinary Portland cement. Ordinary Portland cement with 33 grade with IS 269 1989. Ordinary Portland cement with the grade of 43 grade IS 8112 1989. Ordinary Portland cement with 53 grade IS 12269 1987. Rapid hardened cement referring to IS 8041 1990. Extra rapid hardening cement, sulfate resistant cement, using IS 12330 1980 and Portland slag cement. Generally, used cement is ordinary Portland cement. Ordinary Portland cement are available in market in three different types of grade: 133 grade, 43 grade, and 53. In India, we saw the general construction are used in ordinary Portland cement with 53 grade. Another cements are quick setting cement, super sulfate cement, low heat cement, Portland pozzolana cement, fly based cement, calcinate clay based cement, air entrance cement, colorate cement, white cement, hydrophobic cement, masonry cement, expansive cement, oil well cement, ready set cement, concrete slipper grade cement, high alumina cement, and very high strength cement. Generally, these all cements are used for their specific requirement. In case of any oil mill or oil rig construction, the atmosphere is too oily for that condition. For that, we have to use oil based cement. Sometime in case of very heat area or hot area, we are required to use low heat cement, etc. ASTM classification. Before we discuss the above cement, for general information, it is necessary to see how Portland cement are classified under the ASTM. ASTM is American Society for Testing Material, which are established by American Society of Concrete Technology. Standard as per ASTM, cement is designated as type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5, and other minor types like type IS, type IP, and types IA, double IA, and triple IA. Type N for use in general concrete construction, where the special properties specified for type 2, 3, 4, and 5 are not required ordinary Portland cement. Type 2 for use in general concrete construction exposed to moderate sulfate action or where moderate heat of hydration is required. Type 3 for use when high early strength is required. Rapid hardening cement for use when low heat of hydration is required for type 4. In type 5, when high sulfate resistance is required. And type IP, this consists of an intimate and uniform blend of Portland cement. Same as for different types of cement and different types of conditions, we use different types of mixture of additive cement. Other hidden benefits of the most important benefit is faster rate of development. The image show is silo with 7 segment of construction. There is a cement silo in which they fill it in 7 stages. Storing different types of cement courtesy Grasim Industries Cement Division. In concrete technology, in the modern construction activities, higher grade cement have become so popular that 33 grade cement is almost out of the market. Cement manufacturing in various countries of the world. The manufacturing of OPC, ordinary Portland cement, is decreasing all over the world in view of the popularity of blended and blended cement on account of lower energy consumption, environmental pollution, economic and other technical reasons. In advanced Western countries, the use of OPC comes down to about 40% of the total cement production. In India, for the year of 1998, out of the total cement production 79 million ton, the production of OPC in 57 million ton. We are not not discussing about this all thing because this is the historical things and we are not going to study about the history of cement. Now we are going to start our testing. The detailed testing method of OPC, ordinary Portland cement, is separately described at the end of this chapter. Rapid hardening cement. This cement is similar to ordinary Portland cement as the name indicates. It develops strength rapid and as such it may be more appropriate to call it as a high early strength cement. Rapid hardening cement is generally used when construction of any structure near river or waterside area or any dam, reservoir, etc. The next cement is extra rapid hardening cement. Extra rapid hardening cement is when we are going to work in a underwater construction and any other underwater construction type of project, we need to use extra rapid hardening cement. This cement is that much faster rapidly hardened as we mix and sudden it hardening. Extra rapid hardening cement is obtained by integrating calcium chloride with rapid hardening Portland cement. The normal addition of calcium chloride should not exceed 2% by weight of the rapid hardening cement. It is necessary that the concrete made using extra rapid hardening cement should be transported, placed and compacted and finished within about 20 minutes. It is also necessary that this cement should not be stored for more than a month. The next cement is sulfur resistant cement. Ordinary Portland cement is susceptible to the attack of sulfate, in particular to the action of magnesium sulfate. Ordinary Portland cement, also known as normal cement, we are used for normal construction, are allowed to use sulfate. So during heavy rainfall and nearer area to any river, pond, sea or any water structure, it is very essential to sulfate comes to the structure, and because of this sulfate the concrete goes weak and the structure may collapse. So that kind of situation we are use sulfate resisting cement. The next cement is Portland slag cement. The Portland slag cement is obtained by mixing of Portland cement, clinker, gypsum and granulated blast furnace slag in suitable proportion and grinding the mixture to get a thorough and intimate mixture between the constituent. It may also be manufactured by separately grinding Portland cement clinker, gypsum and ground granulated blast furnace slag, and later mixing them in ultimately. Ultimately means uh, after completion of manufacturing of cement process, they use cement and the material mixed together after the completion of all whole process. Rest of the thing I skip because the major important data useful to the syllabus are covered in that portion. Here the blast furnace slag, how we get the blast furnace slag cement. Ore plus impurities, fluxing material, coke, slag, liquid plug, iron and blast furnace. After this process we get the blast furnace slag. The table show that diffusion of chloride iron at 25 degrees cement paste of water cement ratio 0.5. That types of cement, diffusivity, SRPS, 100 OPC, etc. SRPS means sulfate resistant Portland cement, and the capacity and the materials of 44.7 70% or OPC, 30% fly ash. In such case 40.7% and 35% OPC, 65% GGBS. Quick setting cement. Quick setting cement is the name indicates sets very earlier. Quick setting cement. The early setting property is brought out by reducing the gypsum content at the time of clinker grinding. This cement is required to be mixed, placed and compacted very earlier. It is used mostly in underwater construction where pumping is involved. Use of quick setting cement in such condition reduce the pumping time and make it economical. Quick setting cement may also find its use in some typical grouting operation. The next cement is supersulfated cement. Supersulfated cement is manufactured by grinding together a mixing of 80 to 85% of granulated slag, 10 to 15% of hard burnt gypsum and about 5% Portland cement clinker. The product is ground finer than that of Portland cement. Specific surface must not be less than 4000 cm square per gram. Low heat cement. It is well known that hydration of cement is an exothermic action which produces large quantity of heat during hydration. This aspect has been discussed in detail in chapter 1. This is the image of a arc dam. Portland Pozzolana cement. The history of Portlandic material goes back to Roman time. The description and details of Pozzolana material will be dealt separately under the chapter admixture. However, a brief description is given below, like Portland Pozzolana cement is manufactured by integration of ordinary Portland clinker with 10 to 25% of pozzolanic material, like latest amendment it is 50 to 35% of pozzolanic material is essentially a silica or aluminous material which while in itself possessing no cementitious property which will in finally divided from and in the presence of water react with calcium hydroxide liberated in the hydration process at ordinary temperature to form compounds possessing cementitious properties. The rest of the things are important but not for our syllabus. So we are just look the introduction of that types of cement and the other data. Status of PPC cement in India. It is the study about the history of and the cement properties of India. Use grading of PPC application. Grading of PPC cement, Portland pozzolana cement. In many construction, PPC is graded like OPC depending upon their compressive strength at 28 days in India. So far, PPC is considered equivalent to 33 grade of OPC strength wise. Although some brand of PPC is as good as even 53 grade OPC. Many cement manufacturers have required BIS of grading of PPC just like grading of OPC. They have also required for upper limits of fly ash content from 25% to 35%. Recently, BIS has increased the fly ash content in PPC from 10 to 25 or 15 to 35%. PPC cement is good as comparative to OPC cement. In rare company, PPC cement are listed by grade. In India, PPC cement are in a special cement category. So, PPC cement are generally used for some special structure construction like bridge, dam, etc. with proper additives and admixtures. Now we are going to study about the application of Portland cement. Portland pozzolana cement can be used in all situations where OPC is used except where high early strength is of special requirement, as PPC need enough moisture for suitable pozzolanic activity. A little longer curing is desirable. Use of PPC would be particularly suitable for the following situation: void hydraulic structure, for mass concrete structure like dam, bridge, pier and thick foundation. As I say, it is used for dam, bridge, pier, thick foundation, etc. For marine structure, for sewer and sewage disposal work, etc. Now we are going to stop our lecture here and further lecture is continued for next video.